always looks very smart, doesn't he? Our ring announcer.
Who does?
Our ring announcer.
Who? No. You got to be joking me, Simon. Bobby Cash looks smart.
Look.
Not a chance.
Bobby looks good.
Referee looks smarter than him.
Oh. Well, attitude personified. Joe Wade has been exploding on the scene recently, and the team of Misery Business, apart from being so miserable, they've been on a run trying to just make waves at TGW at the moment.
Well, there's not many on the roster who have the complete and utter disdain for, well, anyone and anything that comes across their path. Very bitter individuals. But that seems to fuel them.
Well, they'll want to make a dent in this one because we all know they've not been happy about being here.
And introducing team number 2.
You do know that Misery Business wanted Crash Boat, but they got Nash Boat. I love this song.
Okay, Simon. Don't get any ideas.
You know what, I just think I might start dancing. You alright to carry this one?
As long as it's away from you.
How can you not be happy about this? Oozes positivity. I am here for you, Nash Boat.
I kind of see where Misery Business gets this disdain from, because this isn't floating my boat one bit, Simon.
Oh, I am on board. I am on board. This is great.
Well, Nash Boat better hope that they can run a tight ship, because Fallon K and Joe Wade have anything to do with it, well, some other kind of boat-related punk.
I want this song on my Spotify playlist. Is it available? I need to speak to...
Weird Spotify you, Simon. Very weird. And also, why aren't you using Napster? Yeah.
Does that still exist? That was illegal back in the day. Do you know that?
No,
Wow. Oh, was that
They were
Kazaa?
legitimate.
I can't remember.
Showing your age now.
I am. Right, I want a sailor's hat, and I want that song. You can see that Joe Wade and Alan Kay are less than impressed by the antics so far, and we haven't even rang the bell.
How many Lilos and does Wing Commander Nash need?
Never been to the beaches of Leeds?
The beaches of Leeds, landlocked Leeds. No,
Beautiful
just a
canal
big
round the
puddle.
corner.
Near Chapel Allerton.
Look at him. Which one's misery and which one's business? Which one are you business? What? I want the business.
All the biz, absolutely. Oh, there we go. Bell's underway. Wing Commander Nash in the ring. Alan Kay on the outside looking totally perplexed. And Joe Wade is going to kick this one off for Misery Business.
Ooh. Oh, kick the duck.
Kick the duck.
Oh. No, but you can kick him. Good.
What do you mean good? You want to be the next member of Misery Business? I mean, you are miserable.
It's quite an elite club, actually.
I'm assuming you haven't had the offer yet, then. Oh,
It's
Ace
actually an
Matthews.
application process. But
Yeah, I'm sure. Going to try and get one up on Joe Wade. Ace Matthews, of course, one of the... well, we've seen Ace Matthews quite a lot, doing some unusual things in TGW. One of them is not receiving a forearm from Joe Wade. Up and over. Listen to the crowd appreciating that one. Oh, picturesque. Picturesque. Get me a postcard, I want on it. Stunning. Okay, now in. Oh, this is size for size. They're a match.
oh, innovative.
He's been practicing.
Oh, he's throwing it.
Ah, he's got
Don't
the
throw the
surfboard.
boat.
Oh, he's rocking the boat. Oh, come on.
Wrenching the arms out of Alan Kay's sockets.
Yeah, the shoulders were wrenched. Cover two. Another innovative pin there.
I got it.
Roll.
Is it time? Is it time? Boom! Poetry in motion.
Poetry in motion. Do it.
gosh.
Please do. Oh, here we go. Are you ready? Are you ready? Come on. Here we go.
Oh, head first right into the corner.
It was a good try. It was a good attempt. It was a good attempt.
I mean, you have very low standards for what good is, Simon.
Tag from Misery Business, working like a well-oiled machine. Joe Wade and Alan Kay. Oh, look at this.
Wow. Brilliant tandem offense.
Uranagi slam. Joe Wade takes out Ace Matthews. A
wonderful
kick.
this is brilliant. Put Nash away.
Cover. This has got to be all she wrote too.
I'm just a bit cocky there with that cover. Fantastic offense, though.
They may be miserable, but you can't take away the skilled tandem offense of Misery Business. That kick. Echoing. Cover.
I feel like this happy-go-lucky attitude of Nashbo is actually what fuels Misery Business. And that's why we saw that electrifying offense there.
It was very, very impressive. Strike to Nash. And again, quick successive tags from Misery Business. It's working well. Cutting that ring in half, but Nash trying to fight back. Using those huge martial arts skills. He tripped. It's fine. Don't worry. Oh, stop.
Are you watching what I'm watching? That's what you usually say to me.
Cover two. Kick out by Nash. Very much still in this one. As is the Lilo around his waist. Managed to cut the ring in half here, Misery Business. Separate Nash from his tag partner, but again, Nash trying to find a window of opportunity. Rolling senton. Tags Ace Matthews in. Good tag team. Ace Matthews now taking it to Joe Wade. Joe Wade managed to counter and get away from that offense there from Matthews. Matthews caught. Breaks the hold, very creative.
Oh, wow, good strength, to be fair.
Almost a running suplex there. Kay tries to get in. Beautiful Michinoku driver. Two, and a kick out. It's a lively crowd here in Leeds. TGW always delivers, and so far that's what this show's been about. And at the moment, it's Nashboat looking to get the victory.
There's no tables. That's what they were signalling there.
It's time to go sky high.
Sky high.
All aboard!
Come on, how can you not be enjoying this? Oh,
You know what? I am Simon. Oh, German.
no.
You know what? This is great. Love it.
Of course you do now. when all the fun stops.
Oh,
Double team action from Misery Business.
oh, right onto Joe Wade's knee.
Oh, that's got to be all she wrote. 2, 3. Misery Business are your winners.
Well, yet again, another loss for Wing Commander Nash.
Yep. Yet to win here at TGW. But it is Misery Business who are on top here at True Grit.